If you're over 70, you may have noticed something strange happening to your body, even if you're eating well. You stand up from a chair and your legs don't feel as steady as they used to. Your arms feel a little softer. Your balance isn't quite the same. And despite staying active, you might be wondering, why am I losing strength when I'm trying to do the right things? What if the missing link isn't your age, but a missing protein your muscles are quietly begging for? And here's an even bigger question. What if there's a simple natural seed that can help rebuild muscle after 70% more effectively than eggs? Eggs have always been considered the gold standard of protein, but new insights from longevity-focused research and decades of clinical observation suggest something surprising. Seniors absorb and use protein differently than younger adults. And that difference might be stopping you from rebuilding muscle, even if you're eating enough. Now imagine this, a seed protein so gentle, so absorbable, and so naturally designed for the aging body that thousands of older adults are turning to it as a daily muscle-building secret. A protein source that has been written about in traditional health books, used in various cultures for nourishment, and praised in lectures on senior strength. Yet most people over 70 have never been told about it. Wouldn't you want to know what that seed is? Before we dive into the full explanation, let me ask you something that might already be forming in your mind. Why do some seniors seem to stay strong well into their 80s while others lose muscle so quickly? What are they doing differently? What fuel are they giving their bodies? And most importantly, is it too late to rebuild what you've lost? Stay with me to the end of this video, because the answers might change the way you think about aging and strength forever. And trust me, the moment I reveal the name of the seed, you'll understand why it works so beautifully for older adults. And if you're new here and want more senior-focused health guidance, make sure to subscribe, like, and leave a comment so we can continue bringing you helpful videos each week. Now, let's get right into the heart of this topic. Most seniors don't realize that after age 65, the body naturally enters a stage called anabolic resistance, a fancy term that simply means your muscles don't respond to protein the way they used to. You're eating the same foods, but your body absorbs fewer amino acids. This makes muscle harder to build, harder to keep, and easier to lose. And here's the surprising part. Even foods like eggs, which are high in protein, become less efficient for some older adults. The reason? Your digestive acid decreases with age, which slows down the breakdown of solid proteins. That means you may eat an egg, but your muscles may only receive a fraction of the amino acids inside it. And if you aren't absorbing enough amino acids, your muscles simply don't have the tools to repair or grow. This is why seniors often feel weak even while eating healthy. So let's answer the question. Forming now, if eggs aren't always the best option, what is? This is where our remarkable seed protein comes in. This seed contains a complete amino acid profile, meaning it has everything your muscles need, but in a form that digests easily, absorbs quickly, and supports the aging metabolism instead of stressing it. Unlike eggs, this protein does not sit heavily in the stomach. It does not require strong stomach acid, and it releases its amino acids steadily, exactly what senior muscles need to rebuild. Another thing most people don't realize is that inflammation increases dramatically after age 60. Inflammation slows muscle rebuilding. It creates stiffness. It affects balance, mobility, and even eye function, because muscles around the eyes also weaken with age. This seed protein naturally reduces inflammation, creating a cleaner environment inside the body where muscle can grow again. Let me share something many older adults have told me over the years. I used to feel tired halfway through the day, but after taking this seed protein, I feel more steady on my feet. That's not magic. That's biology. When your body finally gets amino acids that it can actually use, everything becomes easier. Standing, walking, lifting groceries, climbing stairs, even maintaining good posture. You may also be wondering, is this seed safe for daily use in seniors with diabetes, hypertension, or heart issues? The answer, in most cases, is yes. It's gentle, it's plant-based, it supports the digestive system, it helps stabilize blood sugar, and it promotes lean muscle, which is one of the most powerful longevity tools a senior can have. But we're just getting started. Let's continue exactly where we left off, with the big question. Why does this seed protein perform better than eggs for many seniors over 70? To answer that, we need to compare how animal protein and seed protein behave inside an aging digestive system. When a younger adult eats eggs, their stomach acid breaks down the egg proteins efficiently. They absorb the amino acids quickly. But after age 65, stomach acid production naturally decreases, a condition known as hypochlorhydria. This means the digestive system has a harder time breaking down dense proteins like meat, poultry, and yes, even eggs. If proteins aren't broken down fully, seniors absorb far fewer amino acids. Now consider this. Muscle building is not about the protein you eat, it's about the protein your body can use. And this seed protein is incredibly easy for seniors to use because it's already partially broken down by nature. It absorbs smoothly, it's gentle, it's efficient. And some studies show that it triggers muscle protein synthesis, the process of building muscle, more effectively in older adults than eggs do. And here's something even more interesting. Eggs contain only a certain level of leucine, the amino acid that tells your body, hey, it's time to build muscle. This seed protein contains a rich amount of leucine, plus methionine and lysine, the three amino acids most important for strength, balance, and tissue repair. When seniors consume foods higher in these amino acids, they tend to regain strength faster. Their legs feel sturdier, their arms feel stronger, their recovery improves. Let me tell you a quick story from someone I worked with years ago. Her name was Martha, a 72-year-old retired teacher who used to be very active. But she noticed she couldn't lift her grocery bags anymore. She felt her balance slipping, and even though she ate eggs every day, she kept losing strength. When she switched to this seed protein, she said she felt stronger within 2 weeks, not because she suddenly became younger, but because her muscles finally received the amino acids they had been missing. And don't worry, I'll reveal the seed in part 3. But first, it's important to understand how powerful this shift can be. Seniors often believe that muscle loss is permanent, but that's not true at all. Modern research has proven again and again that people can build muscle in their 70s, 80s, and even 90s. The body never loses the ability to adapt, it only needs the right support. And this seed protein gives your muscles that support by working with your aging digestion, not against it. Another major benefit seniors notice with this seed is joint comfort. When the muscles around the knees, hips, and lower back strengthen, joints automatically feel better supported. That means less wobbling, less strain, less discomfort, and more confidence while walking. This is one reason many seniors say their balance improves after taking this seed protein. When your muscles become stronger, your brain feels safer, and your steps become steadier. There's also a surprising benefit for eye health. The muscles that control your eyes, the ones that help you focus, track movement, and prevent strain, also weaken with age. That's why some seniors struggle with night vision, reading, or tracking moving objects. But stronger overall muscle health indirectly strengthens these muscles as well. It's all connected. One more thing seniors love. This seed protein helps regulate blood sugar. That means fewer crashes, fewer energy dips, better energy throughout the day. And when your blood sugar is stable, your muscles simply function better. Now, you might be wondering how often you should take this seed. Most seniors do well with 1-2 tablespoons per day added to smoothies, oatmeal, yogurt, or warm water. It blends well. The seed we've been talking about, the one that helps seniors build muscle more effectively than eggs, is hemp seed protein. Hemp seeds are one of the most complete and digestible plant proteins on Earth. They contain all 9 essential amino acids, including a powerful amount of leucine, the muscle-building trigger. But unlike eggs, which require strong stomach acid, hemp seeds digest easily, even in seniors with low stomach acid. This makes them especially effective for older adults who struggle with weakness, muscle loss, or slow recovery. Let's break down why hemp seed protein works so beautifully for seniors over 70. First, hemp protein is extremely bioavailable, meaning your body absorbs and uses it efficiently without feeling heavy or bloated. Many seniors who struggle to digest eggs, meat, or whey protein find that hemp protein feels light and soothing. This gentle digestion ensures amino acids reach your muscles quickly. Second, hemp protein contains edestin, a rare, soft, easily absorbable protein structure found only in a few plants. Edestin is so digestible that it resembles the proteins naturally found in the human body. This allows seniors to rebuild muscle with less digestive effort. Third, hemp protein naturally reduces inflammation. It contains omega-3s, GLA-gamma-linolenic acid, and antioxidants that calm the body, something eggs do not offer. Because chronic inflammation blocks muscle repair, hemp helps create the right environment inside your body for strength to return. Fourth, hemp seeds support heart health and blood sugar stability. Many seniors struggle with blood sugar fluctuations that lead to weakness, fatigue, and dizziness. Hemp protein slows digestion just enough to promote steady energy throughout the day. This makes your muscles stronger, your steps more confident, and your stamina more reliable. Finally, hemp seeds help strengthen the muscles around your joints. When your muscles gain stability, the pressure on your hips, knees, and lower back decreases. Many seniors report that after taking hemp protein daily, they walk more comfortably, get up from chairs more easily, and feel more stable on stairs. And that confidence encourages even more movement, which builds even more muscle. So how do you use hemp protein daily? Start with 1 tablespoon per day if you're new to it. Mix it into oatmeal, yogurt, smoothies, or warm almond milk. Once your body adjusts, increase to 2 tablespoons daily for steady muscle support. The best time to take hemp protein is in the morning or after light activity when your body is ready to rebuild. If you enjoy eggs, you don't have to give them up. Combining hemp seeds with eggs creates a powerful muscle-building breakfast. Hemp for easy absorption, eggs for added nutrients. Many seniors report feeling stronger within 2-4 weeks of daily use. Their legs feel firmer, their arms feel more capable, and their balance improves because their stabilizing muscles get stronger. Your body is never too old to build strength, never too late to turn weakness into stability, and never too late to nourish your muscles with the fuel they need. Now that we've introduced hemp seed protein and its incredible benefits for seniors over 70, it's time to look at how you can maximize its effect with simple daily strategies. You see, building muscle after 70 isn't just about eating the right protein, it's about combining it with movement, consistency, and timing to help your muscles respond fully. Many seniors think they have to spend hours lifting heavy weights, but the truth is that even light, intentional movement combined with hemp protein produces significant results. For example, gentle resistance exercises like lifting water bottles, using resistance bands, or doing bodyweight squats send a signal to your muscles that they need to rebuild. When combined with the amino acids from hemp protein, your muscles receive both the message to grow and the materials to do so. Seniors I've worked with often report feeling stronger in just a few weeks. One woman, age 74, told me she could stand from a low chair with ease for the first time in years. That sense of independence is priceless, and it begins with the right nutrition and a few simple movements each day. Timing also plays a surprising role. While you can take hemp protein anytime, the most effective windows are in the morning and after activity. Morning intake supports stable energy and prevents the midday slump, while post-activity intake helps muscles recover and absorb nutrients more efficiently. Think of it as giving your body a gentle nudge. Here are the raw materials, now rebuild. Many seniors notice their legs feel firmer, their arms feel more capable, and they can walk longer distances without fatigue. Hydration is another often overlooked factor. Muscles are roughly 75% water, and even mild dehydration can reduce strength and recovery. Pairing hemp protein with water or herbal teas ensures your muscles can absorb the nutrients properly. A senior gentleman I know, age 77, shared that adding a glass of water with his morning hemp protein smoothie made a dramatic difference. Less stiffness, easier movement, and fewer joint aches. Sometimes it's the combination of small, consistent habits that produces the most noticeable results. Another tip is to combine hemp protein with other muscle-supporting foods. Nutrients like magnesium, potassium, vitamin D, and B vitamins play a key role in energy production, muscle contraction, and recovery. You can pair hemp protein with leafy greens, nuts, seeds, or even oatmeal to create a balanced, muscle-supporting breakfast. This isn't about eating complicated meals. It's about giving your body a complete toolbox for strength. Seniors who incorporate these combinations consistently often report more stable energy, stronger balance, and faster recovery after physical activity. Sleep is also critical. Muscles repair and grow during deep sleep, which becomes especially important after 60. If you're not sleeping well, your body cannot take full advantage of the nutrients from hemp protein. Seniors often notice that taking protein in the evening or pairing it with a small light snack before bed can support overnight recovery. This is particularly helpful for those who struggle with nighttime stiffness or morning muscle soreness. When you combine hemp protein, light activity, hydration, nutrient-rich foods, and quality sleep, your muscles receive everything they need to thrive, even after 70. Finally, let's discuss consistency. Many seniors think results will come immediately, but muscle rebuilding is gradual. The key is daily, gentle reinforcement, eating hemp protein consistently, moving a little every day, staying hydrated, and prioritizing sleep. Over weeks and months, the results become visible. Firmer arms, steadier legs, better balance, and increased confidence. One couple I work with, both in their late 70s, told me they noticed they could garden for longer periods without fatigue, carry groceries comfortably, and even enjoy more social activities, all because they committed to small, sustainable daily habits. Thank you for watching this video. If you're ready to start your journey to rebuilding strength after 70, remember to subscribe, like, and comment so we can continue sharing expert senior health tips with you.